Hello dear fans. How human activities affect the biosphere. Man has gone through numerous evolutionary transformations before taking on a modern appearance. Man is the pinnacle of the evolution of living things. The presence of consciousness and the ability to use tools distinguishes him from animals. In addition, a person can transform nature, making it comfortable for his life, and not just adapt to existing conditions. Instructions. Step 1. A fossil man who lived in the Paleolithic era, from the Greek paleos ancient, litos stone, fit into the cycle of substances in nature very organically. About 2.5 million years ago, man began to use stone tools, but this did not greatly affect the biosphere. Step 2. With the advent of agriculture, animal husbandry and the exploitation of mineral resources, the situation has changed radically. Man began to actively intervene in the circulation of substances, involving iron, fossil hydrocarbons and other substances in it. Step 3. The intensive development of industry in the 18th century was caused by accompanying scientific discoveries. Naturally, such a vigorous activity of industrial enterprises has increased the impact of man on the biosphere. Step 4. The emerging modern industry is characterized by an extremely noticeable human influence on the environment. Man more and more adjusts nature for himself and less thinks about the consequences. The uncontrolled construction of cities, the destruction of forests and swamps, all this has a detrimental effect on nature. The natural balance in nature is disturbed. Step 5. Reducers, microorganisms that process waste, no longer fully cope with their functions. The volume of garbage has increased too sharply. And a large number of substances produced by industrial enterprises are completely impossible to destroy biologically, for example, plastics. Step 6. Natural resources are depleted, the environment is polluted. It is necessary to understand that a civilization based on the concept of the infinity of natural resources is leading humanity to an ecological catastrophe. Step 7. Relying on the will of the elements, humanity will perish. It will simply be destroyed by the environmental crisis. Step 8. The only chance for humanity to survive is to develop a competent strategy. It is necessary to realize the limited resources on the planet and transform the biosphere of the Earth into a noosphere, an intelligent shell. As a powerful geological force, humanity must be held accountable for the consequences of its activities. Thanks for watching.